Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something very important: bad habits. We all have them. Maybe it's junk food, scrolling on the phone, or wasting time. But don't worry. In this video, I will share 3 easy ways to break bad habits, and some bonus tips too. Let's begin. Why habits are hard to break. Habits are automatic. Our brain loves routine. When we do something again and again, it becomes easy and comfortable. That is why bad habits feel good in the moment, but they harm us in the long run. The good news is we can change them. Step 1: Know your trigger. Every habit has a trigger. For example, stress can trigger smoking. Boredom can trigger phone scrolling. The first step is to notice when and why you do the habit. Then set a clear goal. For example, I will stop watching videos after 10 p.m. Instead, I will read for 15 minutes. Step 2: Replace the habit. Don't just say I will quit. Instead, replace the bad habit with a better one. If you eat chips when you are sad, replace them with fruit. If you waste time online, replace it with a short walk. Your brain still gets a reward, but in a healthy way. Step 3: Practice mindfulness. When the urge comes, pause. Take a deep breath. Say to yourself, I feel like doing it, but I don't have to. This small pause gives you control. It helps you act with choice, not impulse. Bonus tips. Write your habits in a journal. Use a habit tracking app. Or tell a friend, so they can support you. Small tools make a big difference. Conclusion. So remember. Know your trigger. Replace the habit. Be mindful. And use tools like journals, apps, and friends. Breaking habits takes time, but every small step brings you closer to success. You can do it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you next time. Bye.